This is Bang the Dice Game, a game for 3 to 8 players where deception is the aim and each player has their own character and objective. The Sheriff must eliminate all outlaws and renegades. He's the good guy. Deputies must help and protect the Sheriff at all costs, including sacrificing themselves. Outlaws must eliminate the Sheriff. The Renegade must be the last character alive, so make sure you take out those outlaws before you take out the Sheriff. For today's tutorial, we'll be setting up a 4-player game, so we need to get rid of that deputy and we need to bring in another outlaw. Shuffle those rolls and deal 1 face down to each player. Whoever the Sheriff is reveals themselves by turning their card face up. All other players look at their roll but must keep it secret. Each player then takes a character card and reads the name and special ability aloud. Each player then takes the number of bullets as shown on their character card. This is the amount of life you have during the game. Whoever the Sheriff is gets an extra 2 life because everyone's gunning for them. Then place any remaining bullets in the center of the table. Place the arrow tokens next to the bullets in the middle. The Sheriff then takes the 5 dice and starts the game. But what do the symbols mean? The arrow. You must resolve this die immediately by taking one of the arrow tokens and keeping it in front of you. Dynamite. This cannot be re-rolled. If you roll 3 of them, you blow up and you lose 1 life and end your turn immediately. The Beer. Choose any player, including yourself, and regain 1 life. The Gatling. If you roll 3 or more, everyone around the table loses 1 life, except yourself, and you get to remove all your arrows. The Bullseye 1. Choose a player next to you, to your left or right, they lose 1 life. The Bullseye 2. Choose 1 player exactly 2 spaces to your left or right, they lose 1 life. On your turn, you'll roll the 5 dice. You can roll them up to 3 times, keeping the things that you want and re-rolling the things that you don't. Just remember, those dynamite you cannot re-roll. After your 3rd roll, you must do everything that you've rolled. When rolling the dice, if you take the last arrow, because you've rolled an arrow, then the Indians attack and everyone loses life equal to the amount of arrows they have. And then place all those arrows back into the middle. If you lose a life, simply remove a bullet from your health pool. If you lose all your life points, you are out of the game. Show your roll card to all players and discard all your arrows. The game ends immediately if the Sheriff is eliminated. If either the Renegade or Outlaws are alive, check who wins. And that's how you play Bang the Dice Game. Thanks for watching.